Hey, I don't know if you guys care, but in case you use lawnmowers or snow blowers type thing, and they tend to have a hard time starting at the end of the reason. That's often because we're using gasoline from the pump. And so, a good recommendation if you go to a store like Home Depot is to use this ethanol-free fuel. It is more expensive, but it's worth it, and it actually maintains the engine life much longer. It doesn't build this residue inside. And so what's interesting when you go to a place like Home Depot, you see big one, medium one, small one, right? And so when you do the math, intuitively you would think the bigger, the cheaper, right? On a per unit basis. Well, guess what? I just did the math. And this one is about $5 per liter, which is expensive, right? But I mean, it is ethanol-free specialty fuel. This one is actually $7, and this one is something like $6. So actually, the smallest one, the one that's easiest to store, is the cheapest. So I would recommend maybe just stocking up on this and just do the math. Divide this by the number of milliliters or liters, and then you get your unit price, and you'll see that this is actually the cheapest.